Okay, y'all, this review is long overdue. So many of y'all have asked questions about this hair, and today I'm finally giving you all the tea on this Burmese curly micro ring loop crochet hair from ULAHAIR. I wanted to actually use this hair for some time before I come and give you the tea. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and ask you to thumbs up the video because I already know you're going to like it. The direct links to this hair will be down in the... where I'm going to have it at? Pinned in the comment section or found in the description box, girl, because you already know I got you. Now, inside of the packaging, I received 2 packs, each with 5 bundles, for a whopping total of 10 bundles. Girl, it's giving, if Johnny had 5 apples and he gave away 2. If you know, you know. I ordered the 18-inch length, but they also carry up to 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Everything came neatly packaged and true to the descriptions. In case you missed it the first time, honey, this is 100% virgin human hair. Unprocessed grade, 12A in the Burmese. Who the hell is that? Burmese curly texture. Each pack weighs between 145 and 165 grams. Girl, low-key giving dope dealer. It comes in that natural, like 1B color. And while you can dye it up to shade 27, bleaching isn't really recommended. Because, you know, once you start bleaching, it can change the texture and everything else, child. It can just go haywire. Not saying that's the case with this hair, but it is recommended not to bleach. But, hey, do you. Don't say I ain't warn you. With proper care, it can actually last more than 12 months. Keep in mind, this hair is handmade to order, so production takes 5 to 7 business days, plus an additional 3 to 7 days for shipping. You gotta have patience is the moral of that story. One thing I absolutely adored was the thin crochet loops. They make the installation super easy. Now, where did I get the whole dramatic of the absolutely adored? If you know what movie that is, comment that down below, child. Instead of crocheting directly into my natural hair, I decided to crochet the bundles onto a crochet wig cap. That way, I can take it off, throw it over on the side of the bed, let my hair breathe, put it back on, restyle it, wear it again. Clearly, I wanted the flexibility and freedom, child. Here are some clips of me installing it. You can see how smooth the process is to install. I did use all of the hair, and I actually ended up reaching out to the company to send another additional, which I also used all of that as well, child. I really was going for the fuller look, but if you're not, you should do fine with what was sent. After the install, I shaped the hair by cutting layers and adding a bang to frame the face, honey. The curls are soft, bouncy, and natural looking. I just love down the texture of this hair.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. That as you walk, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good bang. This for the diamond, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of veins. This for the diamond, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you.
I have to scream from the top of the mountaintops that this hair had absolutely no smells. You ever got your package in the mail, your weave, honey, open it up, and it smell like a bag of Fritos? Yeah, we ain't had that issue over here. Another thing I love now, there was no shedding. I know. That's part of the reason why I wanted to use the hair for a little while to see, because I just couldn't believe it. Now, just like most curly textures, it definitely needs some hydration, honey. It can get a little thirsty. Without product, though. But some people like that look. It gets really big. It gets fluffy. Girl, it gives shaka khan. Shaka, shaka, shaka khan. Shaka khan. Who did the person say I looked like when I wore this? Diana Ross? Donna Summers. I say scissor. It's my scissor wig. With product. That's your leave-in conditioner or some type of curl-defining product. Girl, makes the curls pop and stay defined. So you get to pick which look you're going for. The chia pet look or the more defined. Girl, I'm giving Dominican. Mixed with a little Puerto Rico type. You know? I thought this would be my go-to summer wig, but it get a little hot in there. It's a little hot. It was a little steamy. So I actually feel like it's more suitable for a transition piece from summer into fall wig. It's cozy, it's full, and it gives that seasonal vibe. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality, the easy install, and the way it frames the face and make it such a great option. And honestly, people stop and ask me all the time about this hair. So if you've been waiting on this review, the wait is officially over. Check the description box for the link, and don't forget to use my discount code for some savings, because who don't want to save? Let me know in the comments, would you rock this crochet wig in style?